This is the Equity Management Academy Weekend Podcast for September 6, 2021. Gold. It's time for the metal to shine. Summary. The unemployment numbers came out and surprised everyone on the street. Now, we will see how the Fed is going to manage the situation. Talk of tapering has been political rhetoric. Fundamentals. The unemployment numbers came out and surprised everyone on the street. The economy is not as strong as many believed. The experts missed by a mile. The taper talk is off the table. Now we will see how the Fed is going to manage the situation. They may raise interest rates or continue to keep a dovish stand, as they have. Talk of tapering has been political rhetoric. The market is dictating what needs to be done. The metals going up fast are an indication that the real monetary asset, precious metals, are going to come back into vogue. Cryptocurrencies are also set up to rise as investors look for an alternative to fiat currencies, which governments continue to print more and more of. Now, the government is looking at ways to regulate cryptocurrencies since they are becoming so popular. The industry is going to undergo a transformation in terms of regulation, but it is not going away. All the money in cryptocurrencies is going to see that gold and silver are massively undervalued. If Bitcoin did not exist, then gold would be at $50,000. The market created Bitcoin to protect itself against the destruction of fiat currencies, which is happening due to the tremendous amount of money being pumped into the market. Printing money. More money devalues the currency itself. Even if your asset is up 30%, whether it is real estate, diamonds, or whatever it is, because the underlying currency has been devalued. It is a silent factor. Most people just see price inflation, which we are beginning to see, but most of the increase in prices is due to the currency losing value. This is a great time to create wealth for yourself and to protect yourself against what is inevitably coming, a high and persistent level of inflation. Technicals. Silver. Silver is up 68 cents. The variable changing price momentum indicator, VCPMI, weekly target is $24.95. We are near the sell 1 area of $24.51 to the sell 2 level of $24.95. If you are long and have multiple positions, you can use these levels to take profits. Silver is moving aggressively to the upside. There appears to be a lot of short covering and new buyers coming into the market. Silver is leading the way right now. Gold is at $1827.60, up $16 in a volatile environment. We have been recommending to go long as we came down to the VCPMI extreme levels recently. We made a low of 1785 on the 27th. This came into a level of support which was near the VCPMI weekly buy 2 level of 1763, where we expected buyers to come into the market. 1826 is the daily sell 2 level. The market is trading above 1826, so it has neutralized the daily signals. So we have completed the daily signal targets. The daily program then goes neutral, and we move to the weekly signals. The VCPMI weekly sell 1 level is 1836, which is now active. The weekly sell 2 target is 1851. Once the market traded above 1809, it activated a weekly bullish price momentum. It also activated the targets above sell 1 and 2 for the weekly numbers. It activated a bullish price momentum. We are in a completion pattern and we now focus on the weekly signals. We are waiting to see what kind of demand comes into the market. which could push the market to the weekly target of 1863. We continue to hold long-term positions in gold and silver while making day and short-term trades to take advantage of the volatility. We are looking for gold to begin an acceleration to that 2164 annual target. The monthly average is 1809. The market has been trading in a choppy fashion the past few days, around that average price. We do not recommend trading around the average price since there is a 50-50 standard deviation chance it will go up or down. The sell 1 level is 1847 and the sell 2 level is 1878. So keep your eyes on those monthly VCPMI numbers. The market trading above 1810, which is the annual average price. We are moving into the beginning of our next annual cycle, which begins on September 28. The gains appear to be holding above the sell 2 level, which is a good sign that the gold market is consolidating at these higher levels.
Thank you for listening. If you want to learn more about what we do, please go to the Equity Management Academy, EMA2trade.com, or listen to any of our previous episodes.
Are you looking for an automated artificial intelligence trading system? Do you want to analyze commodities and financial markets to determine when to buy and sell? Looking for an indicator to predict future trends in the commodities and financial markets? Welcome to EMA2 Trade Live Signals. Our Variable Changing Price Momentum Indicator, VCPMI, is an automated AI trading system developed and tested over a decade. The VCPMI algorithm is based on age-old vortex mathematics combined with Fibonacci wave theory, trend analysis, pivot points, and several other widely accepted financial analytical methods. The VCPMI can help you take emotions out of your trading and rely on simple mathematics to predict future trends in financial markets. This approach will make your trading more effective, consistent, and profitable. VCPMI algorithm. The VCPMI code points and levels are support and resistance levels and behave exactly like any historical supply and demand level. Therefore, the VCPMI code levels are useful as an index tool for both day trading and for selecting and exercising entries and exits for longer-term traders. Why VCPMI? The VCPMI relies on artificial intelligence to analyze markets and predicts future movements, which seek to determine what a security or commodity is worth at a given point in time. The VCPMI uses technical analysis in the form of mean reversion trading, which seeks to capitalize on extreme changes in the pricing of a particular market based on the assumption that it will revert to its previous state. The VCPMI can be applied to both buying and selling, as it allows a trader to profit on unexpected upswings and save when security or commodity is trading at an abnormal level. Visit EMA2trade.com for more details.